Cryptocurrency is crashing. Why? We told you this was happening a week ago. Bitcoin was $45,000. Why is this happening? How low can this go? Plus, 4 altcoins I'm looking at. If you're interested in making money in cryptocurrency, subscribe to our channel. We post one video every day, keeping you informed on the entire cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is following the US stock market right now. So the US stock market is getting very close to hitting a fresh, new all-time high. Look at this. This is its previous all-time high. Time to pay attention. If the stock market breaks up, Bitcoin goes higher. If this is a double top and there's a fall down, then consolidation, Bitcoin goes lower. And keep in mind, Bitcoin is coming off of a 13-week run, and actually a much larger run if you go back to last year. So a short-term cycle top would be more than reasonable here. I mean, it has had a pretty great run for a while. So, hey, here's the thing. As long as $40,000 holds, there's hope for one more surge up before an eventual consolidation. Either way, it would actually be healthy to see Bitcoin's price chop around into a late March low. I wouldn't be bearish on crypto for too long for 2 reasons. Number one, it's becoming increasingly unpopular to be anti-cryptocurrency in a political year, in an election year. Donald Trump just saying, as your president, I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency.
And tonight I'm also making another promise to protect Americans from government tyranny. As your president, I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency. Do you know about that?
And to fully understand where we are with this, you have to appreciate how far we've come. See, I remember Donald Trump saying, I don't like Bitcoin. Crypto is dangerous. It can cause an explosion like we've never seen before. Cut to Trump in 2022 saying, I'm dropping my first NFT collection.
Bitcoin, it just seems like a scam. I was surprised. You know, with us, it was at 6,000 and much lower. I don't like it because it's another currency competing against the dollar. Essentially, it's a currency competing against the dollar. I want the dollar to be the currency of the world. That's what I've always said.
What do you think about crypto? Because, you know, New York and Miami is really getting cryptocurrency into their financial system.
Well, I never loved it because I like to have the dollar. I think the currency should be the dollar. So I was never a big fan, but it's building up bigger and bigger, and nobody's doing anything about it. And I know it so well. Look, I want a currency called the dollar. I don't want to have all these others, and that could be an explosion someday, like the likes of which we've never seen. It'll make the big tech explosion look like baby stuff. I think it's a very dangerous thing. Hello, everyone. This is Donald Trump. Hopefully your favorite president of all time, better than Lincoln, better than Washington, with an important announcement to make. I'm doing my first official Donald J. Trump NFT collection right here and right now. They're called Trump Digital Trading Cards.
So today, Trump is campaigning against CBDCs. And I mean, the question is, will Donald Trump keep this promise? We'll have to see. And really, I'm just waiting for the final clip. Trump saying, I like Bitcoin, I'm a pro-crypto president, or even Biden, or even anybody, because it's becoming increasingly unpopular to be anti-crypto in America, and politicians need to come around. Now, another big catalyst that could come very soon to the cryptocurrency market could be this, and that's the lawsuit, the SEC versus Coinbase, and then Coinbase countersuing Coinbase versus the SEC. So right now they're in court, and it's pretty interesting what's going on if you're paying attention. I hope it seems like the SEC is going to lose to Coinbase. So, quote from the SEC, Coinbase says crypto is a $1 trillion asset class. We disagree that crypto is an asset class. It is a rounding error in the economy and requires no new laws. The US equity market is 100 trillion and the global market is 400 trillion. Crypto is a rounding error. And this is why we call those in the SEC who are disingenuously fighting crypto bad faith regulators. They're trying to make the case that crypto is a rounding error. We are past the point of no return with crypto in America. This is my favorite moment of the arguments so far. The SEC says, well, the tokens themselves are not a security. Then Coinbase's lawyer says, that's what the folks in the back table think, Coinbase, and they're wondering why they're here. Love it. If Coinbase wins this thing against the SEC, this will be a huge catalyst. And then for those asking on an update on the spot Bitcoin ETFs, here's your update. Things are chugging along. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF hits 1 billion assets under management in 1 week, and flows are picking up. The more inflows, the better. It's interesting that the inflows into the ETF are picking up. Seems like people waited for the initial dust to settle and are now starting to bid. Altcoins that I'm liking on this dip. Now, if you subscribe to the channel, you know I'm an investor in Mina Protocol. Shout out to each and every builder in the Mina Protocol ecosystem who decided to go full-time building ZK apps, which is Mina Protocol. In a year where ecosystems lost 15% of their full-time devs on average, Mina grew by over 100%. This is what I like to see. Mina, we're just getting started. If you like privacy, we're thrilled to announce a major update to TommyPay, transforming your cryptocurrency experience. As you know, I'm a Tommy ambassador. So what's new? Redesigned swap function. Excellent. Enjoy a smoother token swap journey with a revamped interface. Enhanced security, probably the most important. Introducing MEV blocker technology to safeguard your transactions against unfair attacks. Tron network support. Interesting. Now, seemingly manage your Tron funds alongside Ethereum, Binance, Bitcoin, Cardano, Matic, Solana, and Avalanche. And of course, performance enhancements, improved reliability and usability with various bug fixes. This update focuses on fortifying the foundation of TommyPay, providing you with a more secure and user-friendly multi-chain wallet. Sui! Do we have any Sui fans in the house? Sui is an L1. They got some big backers. Sui! Let me know in the comments if you're a Sui fan. Sui has just surpassed Bitcoin's total value locked. With 315 million locked, Sui has seen a 10x increase in TVL in the past 9 months. Bullish? I like Uniswap, but Uniswap just got flipped. DYDX tops Uniswap as the largest DEX by volume. The decentralized exchange, which last year moved over to the Cosmos blockchain. DYDX used to be Ethereum, now it's Cosmos blockchain, just saw 760 million of volume over a 24-hour period. So it's interesting that a DEX now on the Cosmos blockchain has flipped the top one in the market in general and in the Ethereum blockchain. Interesting. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, daily videos keeping you informed. Let's talk about Cardano. I want to highlight Cardano outshining Ethereum in an interesting way. Now, if you think I'm talking way too much about Cardano on this channel, let me know. I thought this was interesting. According to data from crypto analytics platform Into the Block, the 30-day volume of large transactions on Cardano has far outstripped that of Ethereum. I think the overall point is Cardano, people are using it. Cardano is way different today than it used to be and is now directly competing with Ethereum. If we hold $40,000, I think Bitcoin breaks all-time highs in the short term. If we fall below $40,000, I think we have a continued consolidation and don't break all-time highs for a couple months. Let me know what you think in the comments below. See you tomorrow.